The anti-Swifties are making their mark and are staking their presence, making their presence known in the United States of America. Okay. Now, here it is. We have it. We have a covered ops female obstructing the fence of an airport to vandalize a plane of Taylor Swift. Now, the headline, as y'all see it, it says, Just Stop Oil activist breaks into an airfield to spray paint Taylor Swift's private jet. Okay. Now, I don't understand how spray painting a celebrity's billion-dollar private jet is going to somehow play into the furtherance of your Just Stop Oil activist movement. But you know what? I'm all for it. So let's see what she got going on here.
Bruh.
Wait. Oh shit. What the no. So look. This we've reached a new peak of stupidity. Because this let me tell y'all, you can argue that most forms of activism are most likely going to result in you either being detained, arrested, or charged. Cool. But to literally to have somebody film your ass, your grown big ass, use a portable saw. Hold on. How do you have military equipment? You have military equipment. For all we know, you could have planted a bomb. Did the plane take off? What the boy? Shorty. Not only are you doing what you did, not only are you spray painting a private jet, which means that you're gonna get the pantsuit. You're gonna get these same little leggings that you wore to this little operation. You're gonna get the motherfucking suit right up off your ass. Okay. You not wearing no type of mask, and then at the end of the video, you got the nerve to have the person that was recording defame themselves as well. What the hell is going on here? Just Stop Oil. I don't understand. Sometimes, and it's just like, y'all did a good thing. Y'all did a good thing in the eyes of a dumbass. Maybe if I was dumb as hell, I'd be saying, hey, I mean, they can't see out of the plane. They can't see out of the windows now. So, I mean, now they're going to, want to stop using oil-powered planes. And now they're going to try to switch to a more economic-friendly type of power system for the plane because they can't see out the window. Huh? Huh? That makes sense, right? That makes sense. That made perfect sense. What are you like what is this? What are you doing? Huh? How the fuck? You didn't even like what's the message? Like what who is going to You know what? I just noticed that this video is from the page of the people that they finna piss me off. They really finna piss me off tonight. Ooh, shit. Come on. Okay. Just stop oil paint private jet hours after Taylor Swift's land. Just stop oil paint private jets hours after Taylor Swift's land. So she's not even about to get. She not even about to get on the plane, gang. She done already got off the plane. What are you doing? The pilots are in the airport taking a shit, eating some donuts. The flight attendant, if there is one, or the chef on plane, is taking a shit in the airport, eating some donuts, probably looking at your frail ass run to the plane to do what you did, and then you had the audacity to post this on your Twitter. Criminal, right? Criminals. Criminals. And then put the names. And then y'all have to nerve. So look. The police trying to figure out what's going on. All they gotta do is go to your goddamn Twitter page. Where did it happen? Oh, it happened at the it happened at Stansted Private Airfield. Who did it? Their names are Jennifer and Cole, but we don't know their last names. But that's a hell of a good lead, right? First of all, why do we trust Taylor Swift of all people? Taylor Swift of all people. I don't care if it's if you a Swiftie on it, Swift your ass on. Swiftly get the fuck off my video. If you a Swiftie and you don't like what I'm about to say, you can swiftly take your ass on somewhere else. Okay. Why do you trust a theme park singer? Why do you trust a theme park singer to make a difference in terms of our damage to our ozone layers on the earth and the pollution rates, which directly affect the ozone layer, and oil usage? Why? She don't get no fuck. She don't give a god. Look, man. I just how to be an idiot. This is definitely like, you could probably find this video on YouTube. How to be a damn idiot.